we're going to be talking about Pepe's comeback that is happening right now and look at some key supports and resistance levels to be paying attention to because resistance levels are usually levels where traders take profits. I myself look at resistance levels to be taking profits depending on the time frame and depending on what I'm trading. And supports levels are also very important as well because those are usually levels traders will look to open positions on, long positions. I myself do that, right? Of course, take into consideration of other signals such as the RSI, but we're going to be taking a look into some key levels for Pepe right now because it looks like it is on the move, right? Some of the patterns we talked about for Pepe last time is playing out. If you guys been watching this channel, you guys would know. And of course, all of this is just based on my opinions and speculations, of course, none of which is financial advice. You should do your own due diligence. But right now, we're seeing Pepe. This is the weekly time frame, okay? We've talked about this last time. Had a huge falling wedge pattern here. Broke out of it quite some time ago, namely back in about March, okay? And the price target for Pepe here is about 0.000022, okay, price target. Now, price targets are estimates only, okay? There could be more, there could be less. I know I see in the comment section below that is shouting for more than the price target that's being shown here. I'm just showing you what's on, what's technical analysis is saying, right? Because this is basically the measurement of the opening of the falling wedge, right? Of course, there could be more, there could be less, and what I usually do if the market reaches that price target is that if it consolidates, I would chart the consolidation pattern and see if I can get any clues on if it would likely go up or down from there. So it's very important to be continuously charting your patterns and, of course, to learn how to chart. If you guys want to stay in this game of trading in the long run, you got to have a long-term mindset, which is learning how to chart. Now, let's come over here to the daily time frame. Now, these falling wedges are very simple and effective because it usually tells you that after an extensive downtrend on that time frame, it is likely to reverse and break to the upside. Okay, in this case, in these two cases, it did, right? Falling wedge, again, price target for this one, we've talked about this one. Price target was about 0.000015. It looks like Pepe is already getting there, and it has already reclaimed some of these major moving averages as support on this daily time frame, right? You got your 21, 250 SMA all underneath the price action right now. What are some key resistances to be paying attention to for Pepe, which would include some of these candle wicks here, right? Which are currently at about that price target about 0.000015. That's the next key target I'm seeing or resistances I'm seeing on this time frame that's coming up next. We're also at one right now, as you guys can see from these candle wicks indicating past rejections. Okay, so that's those are some key levels to be paying attention to, and if Pepe is actually able to get back here to this level here at about 4 zeros and 1 6, it could potentially form a smaller cup and handle pattern here, which is usually bullish before anything else happens, right? So if it actually does form that cup and handle, which is hypothetical right now, we can come back here and update the charts for Pepe if enough of you guys want to see it. So make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys do want to continue seeing more of Pepe. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins and Bitcoin, so my opinion on this market is bullish right now. But it's very important to develop your own opinions, right? So this wraps it up for this video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.